Good morning.
Good morning. We are in Bergen, Norway. This is our second time here in Bergen, but the first time we didn't get off because it was rainy and cold. But today looks like a beautiful, warm, sunny day, and we are excited to go check out Bergen.
Yep, to go explore Bergen
Yeah.
and put your nice walking shoes on. We have one excursion.
No, we don't have an excursion,
No,
but we
yeah.
did reserve a cable car ride up to the top, highest mountain in the Bergen area. So we're gonna do that first. Then we're planning to walk through town here in Bergen. So yeah, follow along, see what it's like, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I took your line.
Yeah. Thank you for that. And then, like I said, put a nice walking shoe and come along.
Yeah, see you soon. All right, and off we go. We took an Uber to the Ulriken Cable Car. And the cable car ride was only about 4 or 5 minutes up, so it was pretty quick. The Uber cost around $20 US, and the cable car around $43 US per person. So it is a bit expensive, but the views on top, as you'll see here, are beautiful, and you can hike this for free. The hike is about 2 miles, and you go up quite a bit, quite high. You can, some of those clips here, you can kind of see the stairs and the path that you take right there, and it is free to hike up and down, but it's going to take you several hours. So if you're on a cruise and have limited time, it's probably worth doing the cable car. And there are plenty of nice hikes up there, as you are about to see here, to even get better views. So yeah, if you want a great view of the area, this Ulriken mountain and cable car is a great thing to do. ended up spending about an hour and a half to 2 hours up on top of Ulriken Mountain before we took another Uber, about a $20 Uber ride back to town. We got dropped off right in town and not too far from the ship, so we just started exploring the town of Bergen. St. Mary's Church in Bergen is the oldest building in Bergen and one of the most fascinating things that we saw in Bergen. But unfortunately, the day we were there, it was closed, so we could not go inside. So we just had to admire this 900-year-old building from the outside. One of our last stops walking around Bergen was the Bergen Fish Market. This thing has been in operation since at least 1200, so it is a really old market, and the food here looked fantastic. We unfortunately didn't eat here, but they had so many options and so many fresh fish options that if I could go back to Bergen one more time, I'd definitely like to try some things. right, that was our port stop in Bergen, Norway. We took an Uber to the cable car ride. We walked around town. We went to a huge fish market, and we walked back to the ship, all in plenty of time to catch the ship. So really, if you are going to Bergen on a cruise stop, no excursion is needed. It's really easy to do on your own. They have Uber, they have taxis, but you can even just get off the ship and walk around town. It's really easy to do. So yeah, that was our day in Bergen. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe so you can see where we go next. Thanks for watching. Bye.